This is Unit 5, Lesson 12, Loops of Simulation, Puzzle 4. We are going to count heads. Let's assume that we are generating a number and ones are going to be heads. So we want to now find a way to count number of heads that has been flipped. And in order to do this, first we need a counter. And we need to initialize it to 0, and we will count every time you flip a head we will increment that 1 as a 1. So if you read this, do this, add a variable that counts the number of heads. So I'm going to say var flip head equals to 0. And then every time, now I need to check this when these are if random number generator is 1, right? So when the number of heads we need to see if this is a 1, then I will need to increment this flip head by 1. So I'm going to go here, flip head plus plus. And then we need to print it, the head count, and also we need to also print the random number counter. So now this one doesn't look nice because as a hint, you need to also store the current coin flip. So if I do this, I'll get the result is 1 0, but then if I call it again, it will be a different number. So I need to keep this value in a variable. So here I'm going to say coin flip. So I'm just going to say var coin flip, and I'm not going to initialize it here, and I'm going to initialize coin flip inside my loop, and then I will put that random number and I will make this equal. So I will hold the coin flip value, the random number in coin flip, and then I will ask if the coin flip is 1, I will increment the head count. Now I will print the coin flip, and I need to print head count. So I'm going to have a print statement. We are still in a repeat, so we are going to repeat all these steps. We're going to write coin flip, and we will also print head count. So inside this, head count flip head, and I will say heads, and I will put a space close, and I need to combine a string with a number, so I had to use plus sign so that I can concatenate inside the right statement, heads and flip heads. So if I run it, you see that I had 4 heads, and now 4 heads, 7 heads, I had 6 heads, so it will change. And I will not forget here I have my count on its end.